always want to choose.
You're already funny. I've been there many times. I think these white roses are the best. They look very elegant.
Are you sure? I'm afraid it's too much.
I'm sure. I saw my student looking forward to the lecture. I have checked the price. It's affordable.
That's great. I take this one. Najwa, I really appreciate your help. I couldn't do this without you.
No problem. We have been friends for a long time. I'm happy to help.
Thank you so much. I'm so grateful for your time today.